Hi, this is Donna Zanetti, Travel Cooking and Culture. Today I'm going to show you New York City. I'm cooking healthy cooking and quick and fast, and you're going to enjoy and prepare it at your home. I hope you enjoy it. This is New York City, USA. Thank you for following me. This is a Grand Central New York City, Manhattan. This is a very historical place to enjoy and visit. I hope you enjoy the show, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. This is Zanetti Travel Cooking and Culture. Ciao!